Welcome to the next evolution of humanoid mobility. Today, we dissect the new all-electric Atlas, a robot that moves beyond human limits. Gone are the heavy hydraulics of the past. The new frame is a masterpiece of 3D printed optimization, reducing weight while maximizing strength.
At every joint lies a custom-built electric actuator. These aren't just motors. They allow Atlas to rotate its hips.
Its face is a window to the world, utilizing a suite of depth sensors and LiDAR to map complex environments in high fidelity.
For continuous operation, Atlas features an autonomous battery swap system, ensuring the mission never stops for a recharge.
The brain is an NVIDIA Thor processor, providing over 2,000 T-flops of AI power to learn and master any industrial task. Atlas is no longer a human imitation. It is the new benchmark for what a general-purpose robot can achieve.
Subscribe to Tech Dissect Official. Join us as we decode the DNA of tomorrow. What should we dissect next?